Hello, hello. We're going to try and pick this giant sunflower. It's probably a little too past due. I think there's a little bit of mold on some of the outer edge seeds. We've been inundated by paper wasps and aphids with this, but let's try and get rid of it. Well, not get rid of it, but harvest it so the rest of it can move on. Before the seeds fall out, because they're just about there. I've gone and knocked off a few of the outer leaves around the flower and the seeds, and what we're just gonna come in and cut somewhere where I can in there and see if they'll refocus. But there's the seeds. And we'll work from there.
Onto that plate. When this falls, it's going to fall right down on that plate. Yeah.
I'm gonna go here so I have something to fold onto.
Get down. Make it fall so it lands right on the plate.
Look at all those seeds.
Yum!
Okay. Brush off all the loose bits of the flowers. It just keeps coming up.
A seed part.
That's... Oh, did I knock the seed completely off? I don't think they're not ready yet. They gotta dry. Okay.
Can you help?
Sure. Take your finger and just poke, and they should fall right out.
This is the one I was about to eat, but I don't want to eat it.
Yep, they need to finish drying.
These look.
We need to get rid of ones like this, because I think that one's got some mold on it. We may have let this go too long for getting it out.
Of the stalk.
Yep.
I call it a bond. But if you want, this is the bad seed.
Okay.
These seeds are the types of seeds the bad seed was.
What's the bad seed?
A sunflower seed.
But where'd you learn about the bad seed?
Hey, Grandpa's.
Okay, but is it from a movie?
No.
Is it from a book? And the name of the book is called?
The bad seed.
The Bad Seed. And what does they do in the book?
Well, he wants to he's mad because his family was eaten. And he was just mad at that thing. He's really mad because his family got eaten. And then... Here. Can I hold it? The sunflower head?
If you really want to.
I really want to. Here.
A fly. All right, now I'm starting to see how we've got past part of it.
Good. The good stuff.
Yep.
This is the good stuff.
Now that I've got it just a bit, I can get on the Whoa. Leave the nice.
Give me the hub. I want to have a turn holding the hub.
Okay, you come all the way around behind me and
No, I don't want to hold their head.
Okay.
I don't want to come over here.
Go near the edge where Daddy was. Right here.
This is a bad seed one.
Maybe. I don't think we'll know until they dry.
Oh. I can do this. Crack it away.
Right.
Do that.
Here we go.
All the good stuff. Get all the good stuff. All the good stuff.
Making a pile.
Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Good.
Good stuff. And this good one. Good stuff. Good stuff. Something to be dealt with. I can make a lot more.
Yeah. We can get the right spot. They come out really easily. That's
I wonder if you pull it back and forth.
if I pull the head. Nope. It's just shattering.
But did it loosen any of it?
Um.
Look at the seeds. Do I have a turn? Piano, piano.
Oh, you're flipping them.
I see it right there. Keep going. Do right by your hand and underneath the leaf.
What is that, Nathan?
That's the one I killed earlier today.
You're on the path. Go.
All these precious seeds.
Okay, what we want to do is we want to spread them out. We want to spread them out so they can get air and dry.
I want not get air and dry.
If they don't get air to dry, then they'll rot.
So like,
And then,
so like this and clear side for one seed, bad one, but they jump on top of the bad thing. But in the world, they're supposed to be together. Like that. They're supposed to be piled up. The last one.
Very sticky on the end.
that's all the aphid residue.
Ew.
Residue. Kill the aphids. So no more residue.
You could just
Piano. Piano. You're kicked out of the game. You're kicked out of the game. Kick 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 out of the
Alright.
game. Kick out of the game. Kick out.
Some of these that we're kicking in right now have the mold on it.
Kick.
So I think we're going to stop on these ones from the far edge, because I think we're getting too many that have mold on, and that's going to ruin all the seeds.
Where's mine?
can they be rinsed or
I don't know. I think we'll have to look that up. Maybe. Should be throwing them into the garden, not into...
yes, but do we want 20 million of them popping up next summer?
Yes.
Definitely shouldn't put them in the grass.
Yeah. Well, that's as good as we're going to get it.
Universe here.
Um,
What?
we'll throw that in the compost and go from there. We'll put these in the garage on this pan, the single layer as much as we can, so there's plenty of air for them to dry. And I think that's a few days. I don't know if we can rinse them off or not. We'll look that up. And we'll let them cure. And once they've cured, we'll see if there's anything worth eating.